Alright, here we have created a project called if-else statement. If-else statement is basically a Boolean type of expression and that checks the condition whether it is true or false. For example, if the weather is cold, then stay inside, else go outside. Right, let's just go for example, and I'm gonna write programs that gives a choice. Console dot write line. I'm gonna start with console dot write line, and which asks a question. May I ask your name? And we'll write here console.readkey, which basically stops program to view, and console.writeTime is your name, and we will have to create a string value for this to input an answer. Get answer. We'll name this one like this, and it will be for it to actually have an input, we'll have to create console.readLine to read the input of a user. Afterwards, we can create our if-else statement, which will be if, and we'll have to create the parentheses, open the parentheses, get answer, which is our user input answer, equals to yes, then it will display the message, which will be console.writeLine, and inside this I'll put, oh, that is great, please provide your name. That's great. And if the user answers no, else, no, I can just put else console write line. It will display the message if the answer is no or types anything that is not yes, and it will display that is okay to have a great day. That will be displayed if the answer is equals to no or anything else. If the answer equals to yes, then it will display this message, and of course it will input, it will ask for a user to input his name, which will be displayed as console.writeLine. I'm gonna create for it a separate string, and I'll call it name, and we'll have to read the input of a user to console.readLine for the string called name, and we'll have to move this string inside the if-else statement so it can read the value. Afterwards, we can display the name itself with console.writeLine method, which will be nice to meet you. Hold on, meet you. And we can display his name. It will be name because it was input. It will ask for the user input. After the user inputs his name, it will be displayed in this string value. All right. What does that say? String to bool. Oh, okay. Understand. We have here, we need two double, two equals. Otherwise, it will display the message as you have seen. Right, else, there's okay, have a great day. And that is our console application. It is not GUI application, it's just console application. We can just go ahead and press F5 or Ctrl 11, whichever you prefer. Or I can provide you, or we can just click here, which is start. And it displays may ask your name, and I will say yes. Or in displays a message, oh, that is great, please provide your name. I will provide my name, which is normally Dan. And it will display the message, nice to meet you, and displays the name of the user. And let's let's run the program again, and may I ask your name. I'll input a different answer, which is no. Oh, that is okay. To have a great day. That is how you use the if and else statement. All right. Thank you for watching and have a great day.